Top benefits of sales training and why your business can't succeed without it. Sales are the most crucial aspect of any business. But imagine if your sales team lacks product knowledge, communication skills, or struggles with closing the deal. Scary, isn't it? Don't worry. These are common challenges that almost every sales team faces, not just yours. And the reason is that sales training is often ignored as a strategic investment. Do you know companies that prefer sales training are 57% more effective than their competitors, according to sales training statistics? Thus, investing in the right training can open a world of benefits for you. In this video, we'll discover why sales training is crucial for your business success. Sales training equips your team with knowledge, expertise, and confidence to engage your customers. It improves sales techniques and strategies to enhance your team's performance. Mastering the art of engaging, objection handling, or sealing the deal with customers ensures your team's skills and potential in their sales approach. Not only does it provide techniques but also increases your ROI. You know what? Sales training is the secret ingredient in hitting your revenue goals. Remember, a well-trained sales professional can easily convert your leads into loyal customers in no time. Moreover, the right training can boost sales and maximize sales potential. And the best result you can get is higher revenue generation. Sounds great, right? Using the right tactics for handling customers and providing solutions to their problems offers better client experiences and enhances customer satisfaction. Providing more information, guiding them through the process, and addressing their concerns builds trust and loyalty. Good communication and relation-building skills promote the long-term client relationship with your brand. What's more, training helps the team feel more confident in their abilities to take initiative and close the deal to perform better. Good product information and sales strategies assist them in turning every opportunity into sales, boosting their morale. Investing in sales training provides more learning and growth possibilities for your team. To your surprise, teamwork and collaboration improve sales staff communication skills, ultimately boosting job satisfaction. Cherry on the top, the latest knowledge and tools keeps you and your sales teams ahead of the competition. It offers insights on emerging preferences, changes in market demands, and customers' needs. Staying updated about each trend allows your sales team to adapt more quickly, in turn giving you a competitive advantage. Lastly, offering sales training to your employees encourages continuous learning and professional development. Regularly updating your team's skills and knowledge aids them in doing their best and driving results. Giving the right skills and mindset aligns your team with their goals and methods to optimize the sales process. Remember, sales training is not just an investment in your team, but it's the future of your business. Mastering sales techniques, product knowledge, and building customer relationships can undoubtedly lead to your business success.